back everyone, and let's continue the series on Python. So in the last video we discussed how to copy an array, and we also discussed how to perform various operations with arrays. So today we're going to work on multi-dimensional arrays. We have done its basics only and we have just been introduced to it but not worked on it. So let us start. So the most important statement code statement is from, without which we can't work on arrays. So let us make an array like this. Then array function is important, and then let's put some certain values like 2, 3, 4, no 23, 2, 3, 4 like this, and then another set of values 5, 6, 7. Okay, and now let's print AR, and oh, it's an error. So let us try. I think I can enter it over here, and now it can work. Not yet. Oh, yes, we have to do like this. One here and one here. Now it will work. Yes, it has worked. Now we have done this. And now let's perform certain functions with it, like dtype. I told you about that, and I can't remember in which video I told you that, but I know in array video only. And in 32-bit signed integers, you know that. Then there's also function named ndim. N is number and dim is dimensions. Ndim I can say. You can tell the number of dimensions the array is. So, for example, 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional, 4-dimensional, 5-dimensional, 6-dimensional, 7-dimensional, etc. And then there is also another function called shape. So, what is shape? I'm going to run the code and then shape 2, 3. 2 is the number of rows and 3 is the number of columns. Yes? It's just like rectangle, like 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, like that. And then there's another function named size, which can tell us the size. How many elements does the array have? Like the array has 6 elements. And so what are dimensions? Like for the length, then length breadth, then length breadth height, and 3-dimensional figures like cube, sphere, like that. But I think I can make another array. I can name another variable like AR2 is equal to AR dot, I think I can form another function named flatten. So what is flatten? Like as the word says, we can flat something like a 3D figure. If we push a 3D figure against a surface, it would turn into a 2D figure, right? So that's how this works, and I can do now AR2, and now I can run the code. Built-in method flatten of numpy nd array object at 0.00 blah blah blah. Now the problem is that it should be like this as the function. And now let's run the code. Yes, it has converted 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a single dimension array. And there's also a function named reshape. Now I can run the code. Oh, it's an error. But why? Because we need to tell what shape, what dimensional shape do we have to give it. For example, if I convert it into 3-dimensional, it can convert 4-dimensional. I have not mentioned that. So I can say it. First, let me increase certain values 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like this, and then no, but why left? Yes. Now I can say, now we need to tell the length, breadth, height. So you can say by 2, 2, 4. 3 dimensions are given, and now let's run the code. Yes. See, does it look like a cuboid like this if we join these? Yes. So this is a 3-dimensional array. So this 4 is length. Yes, length. Then this can be, I don't know, I think this can be breadth, and this 2 can be height. If I say 2, 2, 2, let me do it. Let's try. No, it can't become that. I can try with 6 values like this, and then like this. There are 6 values, and then I can run the code. Let's try. No, it can't. Obviously it can't. No, this cannot, because I have reduced the values, so it can't become. So this is a multi-dimensional array, 3-dimensional. It should be fine like this, and I can change it like this. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So I can do 16. For this I can try 2, 8 like this. Fine. And now let's run the code. Yes, now it has again been converted into a 2D array. So let's move to the topic. The main topic is Matrix, not the the Matrix movie. It's a great Hollywood movie. You should also watch it. This is Matrix topic used in arrays. So I can say like this: M is equal to is equal to matrix. This is a variable named matrix only. Then can add certain values like this. Fine. And now let's print M. Error. Why? Because matrix only takes string values. So we'll do it like this, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we require colon. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's print M. Oh, why? Because these don't require commas, just a space. Like this. And now let's but first we should learn converting an array into matrix like this. And now let me run the code. Yes, this is a matrix. Doesn't it look similar? But the difference here is we can perform operations in matrices, but we cannot perform operations in multidimensional arrays like we performed in the last video, like min. Like this, we can find the minimum value of the array, which is 2, then maximum value, that also, which is 12. They can find the unique value. Oh, matrix has no attribute unique, I can tell you that. And let's try sort also. None, because it's already sorted, and we can't sort anything in two-dimensional arrays. And we can want certain other operations, like let's try sum. I hope it should work. Yes. Whoa. The sum of the whole array is 112. Let's try the difference between each. No, it has no attribute like difference. So let's try making a matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4. No space. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then semicolon. It was by my mistake. Now 5 plus space 6 space 7 space 8. Now let's run the code. Yes, it worked. Now I can also try 9, 10, 11, 12. Try again. Let's try again. It also worked. And if you want only 2 columns, then I also have the solution to this problem, which is this. Now let's run the code. It worked. And if you want a square, like we need 3 values, and then we need this, then we need a colon over here, then we don't need this, we don't need this, we need a space over here. And now let's run the code. Oh, why? Oh, my bad, it's error. It would be 89 on 89. Yes, it has worked. And we also have a single dimensional matrix also. And let me say matrix over here. I can erase this. Wait. Now let's try how to add 2 arrays, 2 matrices like this. I can name a variable m2, which is equal to ar plus m. So print m2, sorry 2, it's not 3, it's 2. And now I'm going to run the code. Yes, it worked. 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 2 13, just like this. From this, and then this. Now let's try subtraction. 9 equal difference. Now let's try multiplication. Yes. Oh, such big elements. But what is the theory behind it? How can we calculate this? For this, I can't tell you, as for this we require Java language. which is also programming language. I've told you in my some videos. So I can tell you in the next videos, in further videos, as I need to continue with the series. So that's how things work. So I'm gonna end this video here only. If you enjoyed it, then please press the like button, and if you have not subscribed the channel, then what are you waiting for? Subscribe it. So I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye.